Hey there, financial enthusiasts! Welcome back to Investment IQ Insights, your go-to channel for smart financial strategies. Today, we've got a practical and actionable video for you. We'll be discussing 8 steps you can take to quickly save $1,000. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or just looking to boost your savings, these steps will help you get there faster. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed," and we will do our best to respond to as many comments as possible. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Create a budget. Knowing where your money is going is crucial. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and where you can make adjustments to save more. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly bills and subscriptions. Are there services you no longer use? Cutting out non-essential expenses can free up cash that can go straight into your savings. Step 3. Meal planning and cooking at home. Eating out can add up quickly. Plan your meals, buy groceries in bulk, and prepare your own food. This not only saves money, but can also lead to healthier choices. Step 4. Negotiate bills and services. Call your utility providers, internet company, and insurance to see if you can get a better rate. Often, a simple phone call can result in significant savings. Step 5. Sell unneeded items. Take a look around your home. Do you have items you no longer use? Sell them online or at a garage sale. Turn clutter into cash for your savings. Step 6. Pick up a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or a part-time job, a side hustle can provide an extra income stream. Use this additional money to reach your savings goals faster. Explore your skills and interests to find a side hustle that aligns with your schedule and goals. The gig economy offers various opportunities for those looking to boost their income. Step 7. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into savings before you have a chance to spend it elsewhere. Many banks offer features that allow you to automatically transfer a percentage of your paycheck to savings. Take advantage of these tools to make saving effortless and consistent. Step 8. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Use credit cards or apps that offer cashback or rewards for your regular purchases. Just be sure to pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Explore different rewards programs and choose those that align with your spending habits. Some credit cards offer sign-up bonuses, further boosting your savings efforts. And there you have it, 8 steps to quickly save $1,000. Remember, these steps are about making small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact on your savings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more content on personal finance, wealth building, and economic insights. Thanks for joining us today on Investment IQ Insights. Until next time, stay financially savvy.